I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have the what's in my hospital bag. So I have the diaper bag over here and then my carry-on. I'm taking a carry-on because I'm going to be sharing with my husband. He hasn't packed yet though, so I'm not going to be showing like his stuff. I am 39 weeks today, actually just turned 39 weeks. So baby's still comfy in here. Yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna be showing is the diaper bag. This is a diaper bag that I got. It is from Zara. It comes with your handles that you can put in your stroller. I'm planning on getting a backpack later on. I know that, you know, before somebody tells me like, oh, the backpacks are so much better, but I have a backpack in mind, but this one's a cute one that I can just use like if we're gonna go on a road trip or something. It's a big bag though, but here it is. You can see the detail a little bit more. It does have some like front pockets, which I don't have anything in there. This hospital that I'm going to basically provides everything for baby and I. I'm only packing like just the cute stuff. Just kidding. This is the little other bag that it comes with, so I make sure to put everything in here. So I have the little Haka, the little nail filer for her because their nails come out long. I have 2 burp cloths. These are the muslin burp cloths, so you know. And then I have 2 of the small ones for if she spits up or something. I do have this extra little bag with like bows, and then I have like some socks in here. So I'm just taking like different size of socks. Like these are like super tiny socks. I just have some like little bows, head bows. I'm gonna put these socks in here. These are like warmer socks. So yeah, bows and socks. I'm also packing some like little hats. I have some little pacifiers. I have these 2 different ones. See which one she'll like. And then I just have some diaper rash cream. This bag fits a lot in here. Next up, I have a little swaddle blanket. I went with this brown one because it's November. It's technically fall, so we're doing the fall colors. And then I have the cozy blanket for like when we're leaving the hospital, or like if it's cold, we'll just have this bigger cozy blanket. This one's in white. I do have some water wipes. This is like from the sample. I had some diapers in here, but I took them out because they told me that they're gonna provide everything, so I only need like the going home outfit and all that stuff. But I'm gonna be taking these just in case I want to use them on myself. Oh, and I also have another little flannel blanket here, just in case. I have a little newborn sleeper. I'm not sure if they'll be using it because I hear most of the time the baby's gonna be on the swaddle if they're gonna be coming in and out, like just checking her. But just in case, I do have a sleeper. Maybe I'll use it as a going home outfit. And then I have this cute little, I didn't realize that it was like a preemie outfit. So I got it on sale at H&M, and I thought it was like a newborn outfit, but it's a preemie outfit. But we'll see. I just threw it in here because it can be like a little going home outfit. And then I have this one, which is a newborn size as well. It's just like a knitted, the Target ones. They're cute. So this one might be the I packed this one as a main like going home outfit, and also because these two, because they can be like gender neutral. If you guys don't know, they had told me baby was gonna be a boy at first, and then at another ultrasound they were like, just kidding, it's a girl. So I still have like trust issues from that, so I am taking everything that's gender neutral for the baby. So also, I'm not sure if I'm going to be bringing this folder or a smaller one, but I do have this like file folder for all of her, basically everything that I've been getting from like my doctor visits and all that. And then if they're gonna give us any more paperwork at the hospital, then I can just put everything on here, everything that's for her. But yeah, don't forget your folder for any hospital paperwork. Let me just start with this cup right here. I'm gonna be taking my cup for water if we do refill water, because I hear the vending machine waters are expensive. That way I'll just be like, can you give me some water in here and ice? So let's get started. I'm taking some body armor for if I get tired of drinking water, and then hopefully it'll help with the milk. So I'm taking some PJs. This was like the only PJs that I have that have the buttons, like the button up. It comes with the shorts. I kind of wanted to get like some pants one, because I don't know if it's gonna be really cold or not, but if it does get cold, I'll just use these sweatpants. I am packing sweatpants for my going home outfit, just because I don't know how I'm gonna look if I'm gonna be wearing a diaper or something, so this is gonna just hide. I'm not going like all out on my outfit, like oh my god, you gotta look cute. So I'm just taking sweatpants and like a regular t-shirt. I don't know how the weather is gonna be, so I packed a like little pullover sweater. If I don't want to use the t-shirt, I can just wear this. So I got the PJs, going home outfit, and then I also have a robe. So this is like my little nursing robe that I can wear. It'll just be easier to do like the skin to skin. On this bag right here, I'm packing 2 nursing bras. The gray one and the black one. I also have these high-waisted underwears for postpartum. So I packed 2 of these. For my baby shower, my friend gifted me some cozy socks, so I'm gonna be bringing these with me. And then I have a regular little pair of socks for like to go home in maybe. And I have this bag. This is the little bag where my diaper bag came in. I'm gonna just use it to put like the dirty clothes in here. And then they also told me that they were gonna provide everything for me as well, as far as like postpartum stuff. So I'm not gonna be taking like my thermoplast or like my tux and all that. So I'm just gonna use whatever the hospital is gonna provide me with. But I am putting these disposable nursing pads, which I got from the Amazon kit sample stuff as well. I have a bag of snacks. I have my little fan right here. I actually got this one when we went to Mexico, because over there they don't have air conditioner, and during May it's like super hot, so I've been having this, and it has like the little water, so it's like a mister. This little thing is strong, so yeah, I'm gonna be taking this one, and I'll have my husband hold it, because that's what they are there for. Also, the only thing that I'm taking that's like for postpartum is gonna be my Peri bottle, just because I hear it a lot that the hospital one is not the best, so I'm gonna take my own. I'm taking some slippers, and I'm also going to be taking the shower ones. I have some rubbery ones, but I'll probably take them on, so that's why they're not in here. So we have the toothbrush and toothpaste. And this is like a little bag that I got, and I just decided to throw everything in here. So I did put in a comb, which I'm going to be using for like the contractions, because I'm just scared of the contractions. I have some extra little rubber bands, hair ties I mean. I have my face cleanser, face serum, a face moisturizer, and this little lip product to keep my lips hydrated, because you know what they say, it gets really dry in there. And then I have my eyebrow stuff. I'm not gonna take makeup because I don't know. And then I also, I don't know where it went. I had my shampoo and body wash, but I don't know if it's where it went. Like I saw it earlier. Did I take it off? I don't know. But yeah, that's all that I'm packing, because the hospital is basically gonna provide everything else. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.